Hello guys, how are you? I'll be doing a video now on how to make your Christmas presents unique and elegant that will really impress your loved ones on Christmas. So please watch this. So let's begin. So I already finished wrapping this box and I already decorated this with flowers also. So the next thing that we should do is to put that gift in this box at the top, but I'm gonna show you now on how we're going to do. So we're gonna using this, and of course we're gonna use this styro floral foam for the stand of our gift. Okay, so now what I already also sliced for the stand like this, so that it will be going like this. So this one, actually you can do this at home. You're gonna just buy like this and paper bag like this and an extra like this. So I'm gonna show you also on how to wrap this box in my other video. So what we are going to do now is to put it like this. Put it this way. So we're gonna have a stand. Okay. So and stick this. Now let's continue because my video was interrupted because of the power interruption. Okay, I'm just gonna make this quick. Okay, so we're finished now. Now. Okay, this is now like this. So, kasi baka may customer na naman ulit na darating. So, this was before whole floral foam. Then I cut it because I'm gonna put this in here inside the bag. Okay, like this. And since this is empty space, we have to put this to fill up the empty space. So it's gonna be like this now. I have to make this hurry because we are about to close. So we will put styrofoam and then put this. So it's gonna be like this. And then you can also use a barbecue stick so that it will hold strong like this. So it's like this now. Now we proceed to the putting flowers. Ningkanta ka, ma'am?
Hindi ako biyahe sa mga.
Muna na, Ron. Panglaki pa more.
Kung bayot, kasi ba sa po ayot? Wala lang yung ko ay.
Ang pingi po daw na inyo pagkababae. Uy,
Nga. Birhin dito kayo, ma'am.
birhin pang burnad.
Grabe ko sa kanila.
Karon? Karon kasi kayong hangin?
Wala ba lang po ako? Sobrang madaghan kayo. Ako'y madaghan kayo po. What?
We're about to finish. Ay, Diyos ko. Mahirap maghanap buhay sa YouTube. Ang hirap, yumaman. Nahirapan na ako sa pag-English din dito. Jitang buhay ito, joke lang. Yan. Ang hirap ng buhay. Ayan, we're done. Yeah. Oh, we're done now. And of course, you have to write also. Don't forget to write a message. You're gonna have to write. Merry Christmas. Mas. Charan! And put it together. Ayan, so you have now a very unique and very elegant Christmas presents for your Christmas that will really impress to the one that you give these gifts like this. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.